What if I told you this video was made without a camera, mic, or editing, and in under 10 minutes? This could change how you think about content creation forever. Creating content is hard. Scripting, filming, editing, uploading. But you don't need a camera crew or to be on screen anymore. Stay tuned. I'll show you a live demo of how I do it. It's wild. Pictory takes your ideas and turns them into finished videos automatically. You paste a script or article, and it auto-generates clips, captions, transitions, even voiceovers. Curious what that looks like? Watch this. Let's say you want to make videos like this one, faceless and fast. Pictory does 90% of the work. You just review and upload. Tip: I'll tell you how to get your first video out today, even if you've never edited before. You can easily switch to portrait format for shorts and reels. Pictory helps you add punchy titles, subtitles, and music automatically. Don't skip ahead. I'll give you my best shortcut to make your first viral short. Pictory is great for online marketers, educators, and influencers. You can record your screen or paste a blog post and turn it into a video funnel. Coming up, I'll show you how to add your branding and QR codes in 2 clicks. Does it look real? Yes. It pulls stock videos, human-like AI voices, and dynamic text. Is it expensive? No. There's a free trial, and my code saves you 20%. Use my code, GPCC20. If you want to publish a video like this, by tonight, click the link in my description. Scan the QR code on screen or visit the site below. No editing needed. Don't wait. Start your Faceless channel now with Pictory.